Hello students, let us continue the session on area related to circles. This may be the last session. We shall discuss the remaining questions of the exercise. The 13th question is, an archery target has three regions formed by three concentric circles as shown in the figure 11.19. If the diameters of the concentric circles are in the ratio 1:2:3, then the ratio of the areas of these regions will be what? So here we need to find out the area of each one of the regions. The first region, let's say it has a radius r1. The second region has got a radius r2, and the third region has got the radius r3. Now they have given the information that the diameters ratio d1:d2:d3 is 1:2:3. So r1:r2:r3 we do not know. We all know that. I'll consider a constant. So d1:d2:d3 will be equal to some constant, say d:2d:3d. So if I want to consider divide by 2 in this, d by 2 is to 2d by 2 is to 3d by 2. D by 2 is nothing but the radius r1, r. This will be 2 times radius, this will be 3 times radius. So r1 will be some r, r2 will be some 2r, r3 will be say 3r. So the respective areas will be area 1 pi r square, area 2 will be pi times 2r whole square, which is 4 pi r square. The area 3 will be pi times 3r whole square, which is 9 pi r square. These are the areas. The region between the first and the second figure is given by a2 minus a1. The innermost circle is pi r square. Area between first and second circle is a2 minus a1, which is 4 pi r square minus pi r square. We get 3 pi r square. Area between the second and third circle is a3 minus a2, which is 9 pi r square minus 4 pi r square, which is 5 pi r square. Now the required ratio will be pi r square is to 3 pi r square is to 5 pi r square. The required ratio will become equal to 1:3:5. Question number 14. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 5 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand during the time period 6:05 a.m. to 6:40 a.m. So what is the time difference? So let me find that first. The time difference is 6:40 minus 6:5. The duration is 35 minutes. So the time swept by the minute hand is 35 minutes. What is the length of minute hand? This will be same as radius, which is 5 centimeter. So 60 minutes time, area swept will be equal to pi r square. So in a minute time, the area swept will be equal to pi r square upon 60. Therefore, this implies for 35-minute time, area swept will be equal to pi r square by 60 times 35. This will be simplified. 22 by 7 into radius square is nothing but 5 into 5 into 35 divided by 60. On simplification, we get it as 45 5 by 6 centimeter square. This is the required area. Question number 15. Area of a sector of a central angle 200 degree of a circle is 770 centimeter square. Find the length of the corresponding arc. So length of the corresponding arc to be found, theta is given as 200 degree and the area is given as 770 centimeter square. We all know that area is given by theta by 360 into pi r square. Area is 770, which is equal to 200 divided by 360 into 22 by 7 into radius square. So radius square is given by 770 into 360 into 7 divided by 200 into 22. Let's simplify. 11 2 times, 11 70 times. One of the 0 they get cancelled. We have 4 9s are 36, 4 5s are 5 2s are 10. 1 0 get cancelled. We'll be getting 49 into 9. Taken the root, it becomes 7 times 3, which is 21 centimeter. Therefore, the length of the arc is given by theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Since we have found the radius, we can use 200 by 360 into 2 times 22 by 7 into the radius is 21. 7 3 times is 21. So 0 get cancels. 4 5s are 4 9s are 3 1s are 3 3s are. We have 220 divided by 3, which is 73 1 by 3 centimeters. Question number 16. The central angles of two sectors of radii is 7 centimeter and 21 centimeter. So there are two circles, R1 and R2 be the radii respectively 7 centimeter. One more is 21 centimeter. The angle theta 1 is 120 degree. The angle theta 2 is 40 degrees. We need to find out the respective areas as well as the length of the arc. Since the formulas are known, area is given by pi r1 square theta 1 by 360. Let's substitute. 22 by 7 into r square is 7 times 7 into 120 degree divided by 360. So 123 times 7 and 7 they get cancelled. We have 154 divided by 3 centimeter square. Let's find out the area 2. Area 2 is pi r2 square theta 2 divided by 360. Let's substitute 22 by 7 into r2 square is 21 times 21 into 40 degree divided by 360. This is 9 times. So 7 3 times, 3 3 times. We have 22 into 21. This also can be simplified 7 times. 7 times of 22 is 154 centimeter square. And the length of the arc L1 is given by 2 pi r1 theta 1 divided by 360. So this is equal to 2 times 22 by 7 into 7 into 120 divided by 360. 7 7 they get cancelled. This will be 3 times. Further it cannot be simplified. We get it as 44 by 3 centimeter. Let's find out L2. L2 will be equal to 2 pi r2 theta 2 divided by 360 degree. This will be equal to 2 times 22 by 7 into 21 into theta is 40 degree by 360. This is 9 times, 7 3 times, 3 3 times. Again we get 44 upon 3 centimeter. What do you observe? L1 and L2 they are equal, but A1 is not equal to A2. This is what we observe. Areas will be unequal and the length of the arcs will be equal. Question number 17. Find the area of the shaded region in the figure 11.20. Observe the figure carefully. Suppose if I join this, it forms a smaller square and there are 4 semicircles. Suppose if I name them as KLMN and the outer one I'll name it as ABCD. Since ABCD is a square, the area will be equal to side square. That will be 196 centimeter square. Now we require the areas of these semicircles, which are 4 in number. For semicircle, can we find area? Do we know the radius? Yes, we do know the radius. It is 3 centimeters. No, it is not 3 centimeter. From here to here it is 3 centimeter. From here to here it is 3 centimeter. Suppose if I consider R to be the radius of semicircle, so NM will be equal to 2R, ML will be equal to 2R, KL will be 2R, KN also will be equal to 2R. Let me consider only one side now, the side AB. The side AB is having 14 centimeter. It's a combination of 3 centimeter from here to here plus 3 centimeter from here to here. So I'll write 3 plus 3 first, plus here this will be the length of KL will be 2R, plus there are 2 smaller semicircles, they will be having the radius R and R. So we have 14 equal to 6 plus 4 times R. So 4R will be equal to 8 and the radius we get it as 2 centimeters. Therefore, area of shaded region will be equal to area of square ABCD minus area of 4 semicircles minus area of square KLMN. So area of the square ABCD is 14 square, 14 times 14 minus, there are 4 semicircles, 4 times of pi r square by 2. So pi by 2 into r square, just 2 into 2 minus area of the smaller square is 2r into 2r, which is 4 times 4. Therefore, we have 196 minus 8 times pi, because this will get cancelled, minus 16. This will be 180 minus 8 pi centimeter square. Question number 18. Find the number of revolutions made by circular wheel of area 1.54 meter square in rolling a distance 176 meters. So distance covered by the wheel in n number of revolutions will be 2 pi r into n. So circumference of wheel times the number of revolutions, this will be equal to 176 meters. The circumference is 2 pi r and the number of revolution, I'll take it as n, which is 176 meter. So, and area of wheel will be pi r square, and they have given it as 1.54. So r square will be equal to 1.54 divided by pi. This is 1.54 divided by 22 into 7. Since I have taken the decimal out, I need to multiply divided by 100. So 22 7 times, we get 7 square by 10 square. This implies the radius is 0.7. Now let's go back and take this. N will be equal to 176 divided by 2 pi r. This will be 176 divided by 2 into 22 into 7 into 10 into 7, because 0.7 is 7 by 10. So let's simplify. So this is not that, this is 7 by 10, isn't it? Yeah. So 7 and 7 will get cancelled. We get 44 4 times is 176. So the number of revolutions are 40 revolutions. Question number 19. Find the difference of areas of two segments of a circle formed by a chord of length 5 cm, subtending an angle 90 degree at the center. Let me draw a rough figure. It's a circle. The chord is AB. The length is given as 5, and it is subtending an angle 90 degree at the center. Let me call the radius to be r. Let me name the center to be O. Area of triangle OAB will be equal to half into base is r into height is also r. This is equal to half r square. So area of minor segment will be equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of the sector is pi r square theta by 360 minus half r square. Since theta is 90 degree, we have pi r square divided by 4 because 94 times minus half r square, which is r square by 2. Therefore, the area of major segment will be area of circle minus this one. So, area of major segment will be area of circle minus area of minor segment. Area of the circle is pi r square minus area of the minor segment is pi r square by 4 minus r square by 2. On further simplification, we get it as 3 by 4 pi r square plus r square by 2. Now the difference in major segment and minor segment will be equal to 3 by 4 pi r square plus r square by 2 minus pi r square by 4, minus of minus is plus r square by 2. On simplification, we get it as 2 by 4 pi r square plus r square, which is half pi r square plus r square. Since the radius and the chord can be considered, we can calculate r square plus r square as 25 square. This implies r square is 25 square by 2. Therefore, area will be equal to half pi into r square. Instead of that, 25. It's not 25 square, it is 5 square. 25 by 2 plus 25 by 2. Further, it becomes 25 pi by 4 plus 25 by 2 centimeter square. Now we have come to the last question of the exercise. Find the difference of the area of sector of angle 120 degree and the corresponding major sector of circle of radius 21 centimeter. So here there are two things. One is a minor sector and other one is a major sector. If the angle of the minor sector is 120 degree, the angle of the major sector will be 360 minus 120 degree, which is 240 degrees. Here the radius of both the sectors, they are 21 centimeter. So we are asked to find the difference. So the difference in area of major and minor sectors. will be equal to pi r square by 360 into theta 2 minus theta 1, because r1 and r2 they are equal to the radius. So 22 by 7 into 21 into 21 divided by 360 into 240 and 120, they are the angles. Their difference is 120 degree. So this and this you can simplify. It becomes 3 times 7 3s are 3 and 3 will get cancelled. We get 22 times 21, which is 462 centimeter square. With this, I'll end today's session and also the chapter areas related to circles. Further, we shall take up a new topic and revise it. Thank you.